I haven't been in the hospital since my surgery.
Amazing.
I would be in the hospital 1 week, at least one time per month, every month.
Yeah.
But not right now. I wrote down a list of all of the things that I haven't had to deal with since October.
Mhm.
And I'm like, fuck, we're doing pretty good. Like, it's just one day.
Yeah.
Like, I don't have any pain in any single one of my joints. I don't need to go to the chiropractor every minute of the day. My arms and my legs aren't going numb constantly, and my throat's not closing. And I'm not using an EpiPen once a month. I'm like, okay, everything is actually doing fine.
You are a true living testament of what it means to heal. And that if you don't quit, you'll make it.
I would have loved for this for my mother. My mother would have loved this. I mean, this would have been so invaluable to her. I know she wouldn't have, I know it wouldn't have, she was 84. It's not like she was going to live forever, but I think it could have provided some quality to her last couple of years if something like this had been around.
I just want to share. I actually went and golfed. It was indoors, swung a club and hit a ball. And
Mary Rose, that was your goal when you started the program.
And I lifted when I went to Colorado, physically able to lift my great nephew, and he's a tank now, up off the ground, up on top of a sit. And his dad came in, he goes, whoa, he goes, look at you. You forget that how weak you were when you couldn't lift a cup of coffee, when you couldn't brush your hair. It's not about the health. It's the bigger picture of getting yourself back in alignment with who you are. And that's what's so good about this program. And I wrote it down. I said, it's about the inward journey, reconnecting with the collective of the oneness and returning back to wholeness.